Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dealova Hairunazwa with student ID number 2441111N1, and I'm from class MNG 24C, and today I will be discussing employment in Indonesian and macroeconomic perspective. Definition of employment: individuals who are part of the labor parts but are currently without job and actively seeking work. Why is employment important from a macroeconomic perspective? Unemployment affects economic growth, national income, spending, productive, and social stability. And two types of employment macroeconomics view. And one, structural employment, and caused by mismatch between work skills and industry needs, like education does not match digital job marketing. And two, professional employment, temporary employment as individuals transition between jobs or enter the labor force. And three, seasonal employment, linked to seasonal interests like agriculture or tourism. 4. Cyclical unemployment, result from economic downturns or recent age mass layoffs. And 5. Open and discretionary employment, open, clearly employed with no job, discretion working below capacity age, underemployment in rural areas. 3. Employment data and trend in Indonesia. Open employment rate according to BPS as of February 2024, the rate was around 5 or 3, most affected age group. Youth as 15 and 24 trend to have the highest employment rate, regions with high employment. Urban rise, especially those dependent on labor-intensive industries. Macroeconomic causes of employment. And one, slow economic growth, limited job creation. And two, technological advancement, and automation replace human labor. And three, minimum wages policy might lead to levels if not balanced with productivity. 4. Low invest levels for new business and job opportunities. 5. Low education and training quality skills mismatch in the labor market. 5. Macroeconomic impacts of employment, decline in national income and household composition, increase in poverty and income inequality, higher government fiscal burden, subsidies, social incense, potential for social problems, crime, usage, mental health uses. 6. Macroeconomic policies to address employment. 1. Expansionary fiscal policy. 2. Government increase spending on infrastructure, more jobs. Loose monetary policy, low interest rates and charging informants and hiring. 3. Support from MCMES and rural accretive economics, absorbs labor in the informal sector. 4. Education and vocational training refers, align skills with market demand. 5. Improving infant climate, deregulation and tax incentives for job creating components. 7. Short case study. Example, Online training incentive for job seekers, macroeconomic analysis has it been effective in reducing employment at the national level. And a conclusion. Employment is a complex macroeconomic issue. Solving it requires coordination, fiscal modalities, and structural reforms. Investment in education, skill building, and labor-intensive sector is essential for long-term information. And 9. References optional. Statistics Indonesia BPS, Bank Indonesia, Ministry of Manpower Indonesia, World Bank reports, academic economic journals. Structural employment occurs when there is a long-term mismatch between the skills of the workforce and the demands of the job market. For instance, if the economy is shifting towards digital and automation industries but the labor force is skilled in traditional skills, many works might be left behind. Professional employment, a natural form of employment that occurs when people are in between jobs, entering the workforce for the first time or returning after break. It is usually short-term and less harmful. Seasonal employment found in sectors like agriculture, tourism, and retail, where labor demand fluctuates based on the season. For example, during harvest season, more labor is required, but after harvest, many become unemployed. Sickly employment. This is related to business cycle during economic recessions. Companies reduce output and lay off workers. Increasing employment this form is the most sensitive to economic policy. That's all from my presentation about employment in Indonesia, a macroeconomic perspective. I hope it was informative and useful for all of you. Thank you.